How to maintain a healthy lifestyle while traveling. Welcome to this video about how to maintain a healthy lifestyle while traveling. Traveling can be challenging when it comes to staying healthy and active, but with a little planning and creativity, it's possible to maintain a healthy routine. Here are some tips to help you stay on track, and why they're important. Tip 1: Pack healthy snacks. Bring along healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, and protein bars to avoid unhealthy snacking on the road. These snacks provide essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that keep your energy levels up and your body functioning properly. Tip 2: Find hotel gyms or fitness centers. Many hotels offer fitness centers or gyms for their guests. Take advantage of these facilities to maintain your workout routine. Exercise boosts your mood, reduces stress, and improves physical health. Plus, working out is a great way to start or end your day when traveling. Tip 3: Take advantage of outdoor activities. If you're traveling to a new city or country, take advantage of outdoor activities like hiking, biking, or swimming. Not only are these activities a great way to stay active, but they also allow you to explore new places and get some fresh air. This can also help to relieve stress and improve your mental health. Tip 4: Make time for workouts. Even if you're on a tight schedule, try to make time for workouts. This could mean waking up early to go for a run or doing a quick workout in your hotel room. Consistency is key, so aim to exercise at least 30 minutes a day. Regular exercise helps maintain physical and mental health and boosts energy levels. Tip 5: Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is important when you're traveling. Bring along a refillable water bottle and drink plenty of water throughout the day. This can help to prevent fatigue, headaches, and other health problems. Drinking water also helps your body function properly, improves digestion, and boosts the immune system. Thanks for watching, and we hope these tips help you maintain a healthy lifestyle while traveling. Remember, it's important to be flexible and adaptable when you're on the road. By planning ahead and staying mindful of your health, you can make your travels a positive and healthy experience.